spent 40 minutes on the phone call. That was good though, because I was building a relationship with a new referral partner. So it was a good quality one for me. But it kind of threw a kink into me getting through the rest of those calls.
For sure, for sure. And we don't have time today, but I would like to hear, hopefully that the 40, that's great, but hopefully there wasn't too much fluff in there, right? And it was tight and it was compressed. You know, what research have you done on us? What's your biggest reason for X? Now, as a referral partner, where are you guys at right now financially? If you had better partners to work with, where do you think you could take the business, right? And very, very streamlined. 40 minutes is, and I get it, you're not gonna rush somebody off the phone. 40 minutes is a long, long time for one call, but I wasn't sitting on the call. Again, we gotta be serious, right? And that's something, I'm fine with you doing that now, but as we double your income, we can double your income right now with you making 40-minute calls. After we double your income, it's probably going to be hard to triple or quadruple your income if you're still making 40-minute calls. And I realize every now and then it happens, but we got to be boom, 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 boom. We should be like 12-minute calls max, right? What's the most important thing we need to accomplish? Why is that, right? What's your biggest reason for needing a new referral partner? Why is that, right? Based on everything, you're a perfect fit. How about we do this? Give me like 5 minutes, I'll kind of write up a summary of our conversation, including current situation, the capabilities that you guys need in the partnership and next steps. I'm going to email that over to you. I'll have it over to you in about 15 minutes. If I could, is this number your mobile? What I'd like to do after I hit send, I'm just going to text you at this number and say, hey, I sent the email, just so I know you got it. If you can give me one of those little thumbs up icons so I know it wasn't lost in the box there. And then what's a good next step on my end after sending you the email? Call me, what is today? Thursday? Call me Monday. Perfect. I'll call you Monday, 2:30 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then. Expect that email within the next 14 minutes. Fair enough? And I know you guys are like, wow, I would never want to sound like that. You should, because we're not here to make friends, right? We're here to win championships. We're here to win deals. We're here to be serious, right? And the more you guys can get serious and skillful, you can unleash like 10 times more work than you're doing right now simply by having a simple, streamlined, skillful process, right? If it's a 40-minute call, there's probably some conversation in there about the weather, you know, sports and all that stuff. And that's fine for right now, but there's a way all of us can make 5 times, 6 times, 7 times what we're making right now in sales. And unless we're completely failing right now, to 7x our income is going to require us to kind of cut some of that dead weight out and to be really skillful in our conversations. Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University Sales Coaching. Click the link here, and we're going to show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting, I've got you covered. You want to know how to close? We'll walk through it. You want to be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're going to see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I want to talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.